Blondie, the best of Blondie. This is kind of a cool tape. Don't see this one very often. Looks like the felts have already been replaced. Probably my videographer did that when I wasn't looking. So all we really have to do on this one is a splice. Let's do it. Pull it out. Snip it off. Cut off a new piece. Use a splicing block if you prefer, or eyeball it if you're comfortable with that. That almost got away from me. And then we'll just line her up, pinch it down, and away we go. Might get in there. Sometimes the plastic rollers don't spin quite as well. Sounds like that one's working. Thanks for watching.